If you look at this pillar, this green pillar, this is marked to be the center of the city of Istanbul in the times of Sinan. This pillar used to revolve around to check that there are no damages to the building itself. He's called Mustafa the Mad. ये मुस्तफ़ा द मैड है का बेटा है और सफ़िया सुल्तान, अगर आपने कुसुम सुल्तान ड्रामा देखा, you would know कि that was his grandmother. हलीमा सुल्तान का बेटा था. But yeah, unfortunately this is what used to happen in the times of Ottomans कि वो एक दूसरे को मार देते थे just for the तख़त. But that this is the Shahzada Mehmed, Sultan Suleiman's son. That is Shahzada Jahangir. He is the youngest son of Sultan Suleiman as well. He was one who was in. We are actually at Shahzade Jami. It is in Fateh, and this mosque is popular for. If you look at this pillar, this green pillar, this is marked to be the center of the city of Istanbul in the times of Sinan. It is actually in the center of the city of Istanbul in the times of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, and Sinan wanted to build this mosque in the center for their son, for Sultan Suleiman's sons, and he actually measured the areas, and this is where it was. But while they were actually digging inside for the mosque, they realized there was another green pillar being put in by the Byzantines to be marked as a center of the old city Istanbul. But he of course thought, no, I have measured it and this is the center. And another significance this pillar has, this pillar used to revolve around to check that there are no damages to the building itself. But because of the elevation of the roads and the pavements, and over the years with the earthquakes and everything, this pillar doesn't revolve anymore. There are some more pillars in different mosques throughout Turkey. If I'll be able to show you another one in Istanbul, I will show you that one as well. And we are going to go inside the mosque to say our Fatiha for the Shahzadas buried in the mosque, and I will show you a little bit more about this. So we are going to enter the mosque now. It is a very, very beautiful mosque structure. And these are the doors which go towards the turbises. मुझे लगता है it's closed, we won't be able to go in, but yes, these are the qabrs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Shahzada Mahmud in 1587. His father was Sultan Mehmed III as well, and his mother was Halima Sultan. He was the grandson of Sultan Suleiman. Sultan Ahmed ka sutela bhai tha, and he was killed on the orders of his father, right? मगर बाद में ना इनका जो भाई था ना, he became a sultan twice. He's called Mustafa the Mad. ये मुस्तफ़ा द मैड है का बेटा है और सफ़िया सुल्तान, अगर आपने कुसुम सुल्तान ड्रामा देखा, you would know कि that was his grandmother. हलीमा सुल्तान का बेटा था. But yeah, unfortunately this is what used to happen in the times of Ottomans कि वो एक दूसरे को मार देते थे just for the तख़त. But then if that had become a norm, they had to, even though as much as I do not agree with it, but that was necessary at that time. Either you kill them all or either you will be killed. So unfortunately that's the story behind the killings in the sultans and the Ottomans. Chalo Allah Ta'ala maghfirat farmaye sabki, or let's go to the next place. And this is the outside of Shahzada Mehmed's and Shahzada Jahangir's turbasi. I don't know if I should be saying they're beautiful, मगर उनकी याद में उनके वालिदैन ने बनवाया था. This is the main one here, of course, of Shahzada Mehmed. Shahzada Mehmed was Kanuni Sultan Suleiman and Hurrem Sultan's son. involved closely with the education and upbringing of his son Shahzada Mehmed. He was the governor of Nisa. He died very young and he was buried here. So अंदर जाके इनके लिए दुआ करते हैं. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Oh, look at that, look at that. यहाँ पे भी बिल्ली बैठी है. Wow. Bismillah. This is the Shahzada Mehmed, Sultan Sulman's son. That is Shahzada Jahangir. He is the youngest son of Sultan Sulman as well. He was one who was ill with the back, which was a bit like, that was a Kuba tha unko na. And when Kanuni Sultan Sulaiman ordered to kill Shahzada Mustafa, or he wasn't the son of Hurram Sultan, but the Jahangir loved his brother so much, for uske dukh mein ro ro ke बेचारा फोत हो गया था. अल्लाह ताला इनको जन्नत नसीब करे और सबकी गलतियों को माफ़ करे. और yeah, so this is the turbasi of the Shahzadas. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to press the red icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos.